Hello, come on in. I'm Rainy B, spiritual medium. Today I've got an unboxing to share with you from the Spiral Rain subscription box. It's an Apothecary and Witchy Box. So let's get into it, shall we? I hope that everyone is well. I'm going to just open up this box. It is for the July box. And let's see what it's about. It's well sealed. So here's the box. It is a double box. It's 2 boxes in one. So it is the Apothecary and the Witchy Box. And it's packed very well. Here we go. So this is the first thing that I see. I'll just turn it upside down so you can see it properly. So this is all about the chakras this month. And I get the box that has all the paperwork, which is fantastic. They have some incredible information in this book. It's really well sourced. They really take their time to put it all together for you. And it really helps throughout the month. So this is the first thing I see. And so it says, through this purchase, you are supporting a witchy mum with big dreams and helping to give people in need fresh, clean water. So they give back to communities. My family and I hope our creations bring positive energy to your space. They do it together. It's a family business, so everyone pitches in and helps out. Let them spark your inner light, inspire you to find the magic within. May you always be surrounded by love, light, and magic. Blessed be. Rainy. So that's beautiful. It's also in English and it's in French as well. So that's a bonus for people that speak French. So I can use this as a bookmark. That'll be great. So as I open this up, I have the solar plexus chakra card. It's all about boundaries. And it says, I stand my ground, and when I need to, I recognize that my truth is just as valid as other people's truth and assert myself appropriately. I trust in and accept a positive outcome and have the strength and kindness needed to enable me to stand my ground. So that's great. That'll be wonderful. I'll put that on my altar to work on that. Boundaries are always important. So this is what you see when you open it up, and that came flying out. So I guess we're gonna start on that side of the box. And I'm just gonna put this beside me. Oh, I do wanna show you the top of the box. So they've got some new stickers, a little spark to align with the universe. It's in English and in French, and it's got the moon and their logo. So the first thing that came flying out is a candle. And it's the 7 chakras. Oh, that smells really nice. And it's got some beautiful crystals on top. Here, let me show you. So it's got all types of different crystals. I see a lot of jasper in there, as well as quartz and amethyst. Let me just put that down. And you get a sticker to put in your grimoire or wherever you like. what is this? Oh, this must be some type of a coaster or something. You can use it as a coaster, put it on your altar, put it under a candle. And this is some type of rose. Oh, it's a tea. Very nice. Rose tea. Let me just open it up, give it a sniff. Everything's packed really well. Oh, that smells beautiful. It smells like rose hips as well. That's what it smells like to me. So I don't know if you can see that. So this is for the sacral chakra. It's pink grapefruit. That's what it is, pink grapefruit. So there's hibiscus, orange zest, chrysanthemum, rose hips, orange peel. Beautiful, that's really nice. Awesome, I'll enjoy that. And it's, I don't know if it's caffeine free, does it say it? It probably is caffeine free. The next thing you have is a mist. So this is for the heart. Anthaha. Anthahata. So let's open that up. Oh, that's beautiful. It smells like some ylang ylangs in there. Very nice. So yes, there is geranium, rose, lavender, jasmine, ylang ylang. So that'll be really nice. Very uplifting, very happy, feeling very healing. So I think we've got a lot of different things here. The mists for the chakras. This is for the root. It's another spray. So I think with this, it's all about sprays for the chakras. So what's in here is patchouli, bergamot, cedarwood. Let's open it up, give it a sniff. It smells very, a lot of patchouli and cedarwood. That's what I'm smelling. So that'll be nice. Here's another one. Sashara. I'm not sure. Throat. This is for the throat chakra. And you've got cypress in here, lemon, peppermint, and a touch of blue tiger's eye. Just looking to see if they have the crystals. Can I see the crystals? I don't. But there's definitely some tiger eye in here. Smells very minty. That will wake you up. So it's speaking your truth with boundaries. The next one is the solar plexus. And what is in here is sweet orange, lemon, petrigreen, and a touch of rutilated quartz. I'm not sure how we're going to use these. So you can smell the sweet orange and the lemon, which is nice. This is the sacral chakra. In here is sweet orange, cinnamon leaf, ginger, and petrified wood. So you've got some crystals in these. That smells very spicy, cinnamony. I like cinnamon. This is the throat chakra. Did we get one? I thought we got one. Yes, for some reason they've included two. I guess they didn't mean to. And this is for the crown. Mariah is in here, frankincense, vanilla, and clear quartz crystal. Oh, that one smells really nice. I like that one. That's beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so that is the Witchy Box. Now we're going to get into the Apothecary Box. And what is this? This is the root chakra. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to open it up. Oh, this is beautiful. I'll take a little bit out and show you. How can I show you without making a mess all over? So this is hibiscus. So I'm not sure what we're going to do with this, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So hibiscus for the root chakra. Let me just close that up. And then we've got the sacral chakra. I'll open this up. Oh, this is a calendula. Cool. And I don't even have to take it out. There you go. You can see it. Beautiful herbs. Really nice. They're well packed. You get a full container of it to do whatever you need to do with it. The solar plexus is chamomile. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Really great quality herbs. And I was actually looking for some herbs. The next one is rose. So this is for the heart chakra. And it's not easy to find these things. That's why I do enjoy getting the apothecary boxes. Especially in Toronto, we've been in lockdown here. So great product, good quality, nice full bags. So that's the rose. The next one is the throat chakra, and I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up and let's find out. It's a beautiful day here in Toronto. I thought I would take advantage of the light to film this for you. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, it smells amazing. So this is Sasha Sarah or something. Sasha Sarah. I'm not pronouncing it properly, but here, let me just take some out so you can see it. It's a beautiful, vibrant purple flower. Here, let me put it in this hand. I'm dropping it all over so you get a good idea. Let me put it back in, get a little of it all over. But it smells beautiful. It smells very berry. That's what it smells like. Beautiful berry. So that is for the throat. This is for the third eye. Let's find out what this is. Oh, it's lavender. Everyone knows what lavender is like, so it's a beautiful herb. I like to use it for cooking as well, baking. Oh, really nice, beautiful. Lavender. And the last one is jasmine, so for the crown chakra. The birds are chirping. So let's open that up. Beautiful, nice. So jasmine. I look forward to seeing what I'm going to be doing with this. And the last thing, whoop. Oh, okay. So let me just show you this. So you get a box that they sent you. It's a wooden box with all the chakras. So I believe it's what 21 chakras they're talking about, but I'll look at it in the pages that they sent you. And as I open this up inside, there's oils that they sent to go with all the different chakras. So let's open that up. And I guess you can use this to store your oils in as well. So I'm not going to open them in order. This is the crown chakra. This is the Mariah. So they're all the same. Oh, beautiful. They are 10 ml bottles, I believe. And they can actually fit in this box, which is nice. So you've got somewhere to store it. This is the solar plexus. So this is the solar plexus. If you didn't see this close enough, here's that one. Beautiful. They really do take their time to put these boxes together. There's a lot of love and care that goes into this. This is the sacral. That's the one with the cinnamon. This is the third eye. beautiful. This is the heart. Oh, that's the one with the ylang ylang. So that's the heart. This is the throat. This is the one with the mint. And the cypress. And this the lemon, the citron. And this is the root. And that smells very earthy. That's the one with the patchouli, the bergamot, and the cedar. Definitely the cedar is the one that smells earthy. So here's the box you get. I guess you can put everything else, all the other oils, into the box as well. That's what I'm doing. The sprays. Let me just move it around. So you can put it all together and store it like so. So that's what you get in this month's box of the Witchy and the Apothecary. So I'm going to just go into the book and see this month what they say. So this is for July. This is about the moons, Leo, the chakras. It talks about July birth flowers, Celtic trees, birthstones, folklore. Talks all about the moons, the Cancer moon, moon magic. They even go into the July full moon, buck moon. So it goes into a letting go ceremony with the full moon. Talks about the moon cycles, Leo, the astrology, which is fantastic. And look at the artwork. Like, it's just spectacular. It really is. Everything about Leo. People that are born in July. It talks about the next Sabbath in August. So it talks about the Celtic ceremonies. And then they even have some recipes here to make bread. So there's some recipes here. And this is for the recipe that they're showing. This is the bread that it makes. So now it's getting into the chakras, the second chakras, the auric bodies. So it's healing and balancing the 22 chakras. So it goes into the 22 chakras. So I guess I'll be talking about that this month, which I'm happy to share with you. You know, it may be something that, you know, it is important, aligning your chakras, clearing your chakras, protecting yourself, meditations. I'm just getting into the information about the box. Okay, so here it is. So they have 4 different boxes that they offer. Let me just hold up this picture so you can see it. You never know if you're interested in it. These are the 4 different boxes for this month. And that's pretty well the information that I can share with you now. So I hope that you've enjoyed this box unboxing, and I look forward to sharing this with you throughout the month. Lots of love. Take care. Have an amazing day.